for those of you who are wondering how to use the SM iButterfly application, it's very easy. You must have a pre-downloaded iButterfly application, which you could easily download under Google Play or Play Store for Android devices and App Store for Apple devices. So it's very easy to use. So here in SM, they have their dedicated internet connection. So for example, here, so when you go to settings, under Wi-Fi settings, you can see they have a dedicated iButterfly internet connection that is really dedicated for us customers who would like to try the SM iButterfly. So once you're already connected in your favorite SM store, just click on the iButterfly Asia app in your device, and you can see it's already starting. You can just browse anywhere. As you can see, there's a butterfly. So once you see a butterfly, wait for a while. Let's grab some butterfly in this area. So when you see a person holding a device and as if looking weird, don't hesitate. Don't worry. They're just playing this new application, augmented reality, called iButterfly. So you can see I already have a butterfly. So in order for me to catch it, I just need to shake it, and yeah, here, I already catch a butterfly. So in order for you to really feel the application, you need to have you just need to catch it, and it will be saved on your app in your device. So here, that's how you use the iButterfly Asia application that's ready available here in SM. So try it out and see for yourself. Have some fun. I know not only the kids, but also those kids at heart will really enjoy catching butterflies again. Now, not outside, but in the convenience of your favorite SM malls. So try, download your iButterfly Asia application, go to your nearest SM area, connect to their iButterfly Wi-Fi, and feel and try how to catch butterfly again. Okay, so thank you.